and space. When my people dancing through time and space. Is our energy when we come down there? They say all we know is to jump and wave. It's in every creed and race. And the carnival is the holy grail. Whoa, I feel I could stay right here, living the mass only, yeah. Whoa, I feel I could stay right here. Look how the mass have way. Everybody charge up.
What does Carnival represent for you?
It's my pleasure, and it is by the power vested in me by the state of Florida. You are now husband and wife.
October 2024, Miami Carnival celebrated 40 years of culture and impact in its community. Miami Carnival consists of 4 major events: Kitty's Carnival, Panorama, Juve, and the Parade of Bands. Now, I know everybody comes to Miami for the events, but that's just the icing on the cake. Before we get into our recap of events, I want to rediscover Miami Carnival with you. After 2024 Miami Carnival, I have a new respect for the unseen persons that make Carnival what it is. Before a single person touches the pavement, the trucks are on the road hours in advance to ensure that you have the best possible time. Before the sun breaks in Miami, the trucks are in position and being prepared for day-long activities. There are so many aspects of Carnival that we take for granted, from security to EMT workers who ensure our safety as the day plays out, many of whom work 12 to 16 hours shifts. Congratulations to Miami Carnival One Broward Committee for their tireless work as they produced and presented the 40th annual Miami Carnival in the presence of all of the challenges. While this year saw a low turnout as a result of new products in the marketplace and weather concerns, the show continued, proving Miami Carnival as a cultural staple in Caribbean culture, not only in the U.S., but around the world.